Hey everybody, we wanted to welcome y'all.
Hey, what's going on, family? How y'all doing? Listen, wanted to invite you guys out. We're having a home buyers webinar this Thursday at 6 o'clock. That's December 1st at 6 o'clock p.m. Be myself, Coach D, Coach Robbie, and we're going to go through everything you need to know about buying your first home.
It's gonna a lot of great knowledge that we're gonna share with everyone. Also, it is limited seating. We've only got so many spots. So if you want to be a part of it, just register on the link. Be there Thursday at 6 o'clock, and we want to share some knowledge. We've helped thousands of people get into homes, and we want to share some knowledge with y'all too.
Absolutely, man. Yeah, so get there, try to log in, get registered. Make sure you log on at least 10, 15 minutes ahead of time. Like I said, there's limited seating. So, man, y'all get in there, soak up this game so we can get you to that house.
All right, we'll see y'all there.
All right, later.